Back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Ft.Myfirstwig. You guys know when I'm pulling out this red and white box, that means that it is probably ready to go, ready to wear. But let's see what's in the box. It looks like they sent over a company edge band, and then your unit does come in this bag. Go ahead and open that up. And of course, they always send over a dark wig cap, which you guys know I love the wig caps. So let's see what this unit is about. This is their 13x6 ombre brown straight glueless wig. This one is in the length 16 inches and also has a silky texture. You do get a 13x6 parting space area. Also, you can see that they went ahead and pre-cut the lace comb on each side. So get a comb in the nape area. You get your drawstring, but not only do you get your drawstring, you still get your adjustable strap. So I'm going to like that a lot, especially for making sure that it is secure on your head. And they also pre-cut the lace in the nape area, and then you get your removable adjustable elastic band. No, I am a cap size 1 when it comes to this company, and it usually fits me really good already. But because it does have a drawstring and an adjustable strap, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this. Okay, they gave you triple security: the adjustable strap, the drawstring, and the removable adjustable elastic band. So I'm wondering if this is gonna be like really snug on my head, but we're gonna see. I'm not gonna adjust that drawstring until later, and I'm gonna keep the elastic band settings where they are now, just so I can make sure it's not doing too much. This is what it is looking like on right now. As you can see, this lace is coming over my ears. And usually with this company, I never have to worry about the lace coming over like that. So I am gonna have to go ahead and trim off some of that so it can meet up by my ear. Now, as far as the hairline goes, this is what it is. Look at that hairline. This is what it is looking like. Very nice and natural. Keep in mind that this is their extra deep plucked hairline, and also the knots are extra bleached. So just want to make sure you guys know that, because there are different options on the website. But yeah, they did a really good job with plucking out the hairline. And then there's that parting space. I think you can see my cap right here a little bit. But this already comes as a left side part, but you can move the parting space around. So you definitely have options. Now this is about how far you want to go over before you end up running into that track. And then this is the parting space on the side. I am loving the way that looks. It looks really good. Now, as far as the length goes, you guys know I'm only 5'2", so 16 inches definitely works out for me because it's not doing too much. Plus, it's perfect for every day. This one's going to be really easy for me to style. As far as the fit right now, it fits me really good, and I haven't even adjusted the drawstring. So I know once I adjust that, it's going to really fit my head to where you are not going to have to worry about anything. And that drawstring is also going to help with making sure that no lace is wrinkling. Nothing is going to lift up. Like, it's already secure before I adjust it, so that's just going to give it that extra hold. So I'm going to go ahead and style this beauty up, and then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and to tell you guys my final thoughts. With My First Wig, their units are very beginner friendly. Also, you are able to rock them glueless, so if you don't want to rock any adhesive, you don't have to. I always go in with more of a softer hold. I do not like to call this adhesive because you are able to just plop this off. To me, it just gives the melted effect like you really went in and did something, but a little bit definitely goes a long way, especially because they already have the tinted lace. Everything's already pre-cut, bleached, plucked. You don't need a lot, okay? Now, I like to use the olive oil mousse. Of course, if you want to go in with something just a little bit more. When I go in with a little bit more, I like to use the Tailored Crown Glueless Goo because it's more sticky, but this one, just super easy. And it's also very light and it doesn't make everything feel tacky. Now, on the sides, I did have to go in and cut down some of it because it was lapping over my ear. And I always cut a little bit above it. That way it can sit comfortable. I'm okay with a little bit of my sideburns showing because I feel like the lace blends in just a little bit more and it helps it to look natural. But literally no issues when it comes to all of that. Everything laid down very, very well. The lace blends in well to my skin. So I always feel like I don't have to go in and do anything extra. It already comes as a left side part. You guys know I like to go in and curve my parts, but I did not this time. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like if you wanted to wear it straight out of the box. And I feel like it was okay. I didn't have any issues with it. I was able to lay everything down using a little bit of wax at the top, and then I went in with a little bit of wax around the front of the hairline. I used my hot comb to smooth everything out. Now, this density is not super heavy. This is more on the lightweight side, so there's not a lot of density in the parting space area. Now, speaking of parting space, the one thing that I did notice is that on the side, the parting space is a bit more open versus in the middle, it was a bit more tighter. So I did have to go in with some powder just to kind of open everything up. But you are able to move this around how you choose to. Hey guys, 3 styles, which was the left side, the middle part, and then also this quick little half up, half down. I didn't want to do too much because this is straight. Now you can go in and curl this if you choose to, but I wanted to show you guys the straight look. Like I said, this density is very lightweight. It's perfect for every day without doing too much. I love the middle part. I also pulled out a little bit of hairs. Now I had to go back on the side and fix a little bit of that lace because it was lifting up when I pulled it into a ponytail. Now keep in mind, you know, the ponytail is back here, but it's not super full. So if you want the hair out of your face, you are able to do that also. As shedding and tangling goes, I did receive just a very small amount of shedding, not a lot, and then snags. I am noticing more snags towards the ends of the hair, and it's because the ends felt just a little bit dry. Now to kind of help that, I did go in with a little bit of my Sleek and Shine serum that also helps with frizziness and flyaways. And it helped to soften it up. And then of course, when I added my heat to straighten out the hair, that helped also. I noticed a little bit of layers when I was straightening it out. When it comes to frizziness and flyaways, because y'all know I'm always talking about my first wig and that flyaway stuff at the top, I didn't really have that issue. Like, are y'all surprised? I didn't. Okay, it didn't look too bad. I also did not notice a lot of frizziness when it came to this unit. Now this color is really cute. Now I noticed that the color is more even when you wear it in the middle part, but on the side, you definitely get more of the color on that side just because of the way you decide to flip the hair. But I think this color is cute, okay? It still look cool outside. I think you can transition this into spring and summer. In fact, girl, what whatever color you want. Ain't no rules, ain't no rules. You guys know with a capsized one with My First Wig, I never really have any issues with it fitting, but this is definitely giving you more security. You're not gonna have to worry about the lace wrinkling up. You're not gonna have to worry about it lifting and sliding. That drawstring definitely keeps it super secure. You just need to make sure you kind of tuck it under so that it doesn't show, but they definitely, like I said, triple secured this wig, so you ain't gotta worry about it, you know, rolling off your head and sliding back and all that other good stuff. Know what you guys think about this unit. Let me know which style was your favorite. If you do like this, I am going to make sure to leave a link down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.